Hello, I'm Alex with Rank Secure, your top SEO service provider. Is your company or website popping up on top search engine positions? When you look up your industry and areas of expertise, is your business readily visible and ranking high? If that's not the case and you are having difficulties reaching top search engine positions, then chances are you need Rank Secure's help. It is likely that several factors have prevented your website from performing as per your expectations. The reason could be that your website doesn't have the right words at the right place, or that you don't have a sufficient number of good links. Whatever the issue is, don't worry, that's our wheelhouse. Rank Secure can perform a comprehensive SEO audit to help you understand exactly what is required for your website to achieve the desired SEO performance. In our SEO audit service, we diagnose several issues that may restrict a website from reaching the optimum search engine rank. Rank Secure's audit analyzes your website's keywords, content, site structure, links, user experience, site statistics, social media, and competitor performance. Each SEO audit follows a checklist to make sure that all the major points are covered. At Rank Secure, we know just how important it is that your website be fully optimized so that you can reach those coveted high-ranking slots on search engines and gain visibility and hence new clients. That's why we provide this SEO audit service to help our clients take steps in the right direction so that their website satisfies both the search engines and their end users. Search engine best practices change frequently these days, so the importance of an SEO audit has increased even more. In this rapidly changing search engine landscape, let Rank Secure help you uncover new opportunities and lay the foundation for a successful future with our efficient SEO audit. Get your free SEO audit report today by filling out this form on our website. Or call us at 833-RANK-SECURE today to speak with one of our technology experts.